Hey, welcome back. This is Ohit, and this is gonna be the tutorial where I'm going to show you how to work with JavaScript. So JavaScript is a scripting language which helps us to manipulate our DOM or to manipulate our HTML tags. So this is gonna be awesome. You can actually change color, you can change size, you can change, HTML, CSS, both. So you can also retrieve information from other websites with JavaScript, which I'm not going to show in this. I want to keep it as simple as you need. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the text editor. You can put your JavaScript file inside head section, also inside the body section, but keep in your mind that you are only putting the library inside the head section, which will not directly manipulate this HTML DOMs. So if you want to manipulate these HTML DOM elements, then you need to put the JavaScript file at the end of the HTML text. That means at the end of the body tag. So I will put the script here, and I will say the end tag here, and inside there our JavaScript code will be written. So you cannot put any HTML code inside here. Keep in your mind that. Okay, so we want something happen. We want to actually change the color of this header. If we go, we want this to be blue. To do this, we will go and we will actually want to first address and refer to this into our script. To refer to this, we will say document dot get element by ID, then say inside the parenthesis you have to say the ID, so which is header 1. Right now this line referring to this ID, which means this entire h1 tag. Then we want the color to be changed, right? So the color is an attribute of the CSS. So to do this, we will say dot style dot color equals, we want this to be blue, right? So we will say blue and put a semicolon, end of the statement. So if I go and refresh now, you can see that the color has turned into blue, although it is originally green here, but the JavaScript has turned it into blue. That's cool, isn't it? We want this text to be bigger. To do this, I will go back. I will add an ID attribute with this. I will say para1, and I will go here into our script. I will say document dot get element by ID, and I will say inside the quote para1, and I will say style. So we want to change the font size of this text into our browser. To do this, we will say font size equals, so our font size measurement units are always into pixel, so I will say 25, or you can give 30 pixel as well, but it will be seeming more bigger. Okay, I'll go to the browser. If I refresh now, you can see that the text are really bigger. Oh my god, that's so big. Okay, we want something to do here. We want to, okay, we can actually change the color of this paragraph as well. So to do this, we can say document dot get element by ID, and we will say para1 dot style dot color equals, we will say we want this color to be changed into what do we want to say, gray. Save it, put your semicolon, go back and refresh, and this text has been turned into gray color. So this is how actually JavaScript works. I hope you understand how it is actually manipulating our document elements and our CSS as well. If you're not understanding anything, comment me into the comment section. Also, if you like this video, thumbs up, share with your friends who are new to the web development. See you into the next video where I will show you about PHP.